Best experience ever. Mo made it so easy to understand and I felt at ease. The cats are super cute too. I often go shopping in Causeway Bay, but this is my first time in class. If you love, you can't miss it, because there are pretty and very good Gigi and Lily, who will accompany you. The course is easy to understand, and I am very happy to reply to the process of doing experiments in middle school. Ryan, thank you. Teach us to make a natural and unique lipstick. There are other courses in the classroom, which are very unique, and I want to participate. The first anniversary of my girlfriends, I gave everyone the experience of making lipstick. The workshop environment is open, well-lit, and a good learning environment. The whole process is about 1 hour, and an old female tutor taught and assisted us to successfully complete a lipstick belonging to, very happy. Friends who enjoy the production process and results, don't miss it. The teacher was very attentive and enthusiastic, which motivated us. We were also quite lucky to sit in a quiet corner. The lipstick colors exceed expectations. Good and fun experience with the kids. They made a perfect gifts for Mother's birthday. Highly recommend this expert as gift, fun activity with lots of pictures and videos after, and of course a beautiful handmade lipstick. The masterclass lead was very patient and friendly too. Really liked the experience. Instructor Ryan patiently explained each material and how to make lipsticks. Lipsticks have no preservatives and can be used by children with confidence. I enjoy the production process, and I am so happy to have a lipstick made by myself. Teacher Ryan explained very clearly, every step is very meticulous. There are 2 cats in the classroom, so obedient. More than an hour is fun and learning wild. There is a moisturizing lipstick, good value for money. So fun. And I enjoyed it. Will create my own lipstick brand soon. The lipstick is simple and easy to make, very suitable for parent-child experience. Children can handle it at 5 years old. The cat shop manager is also very amiable and can hold and touch. Children experience a very happy workshop on the left. Very good, the instructor is very careful in teaching and explaining. Easy to use, high CP value, worth recommending. It is worth recommending, a good lipstick experience workshop. Buying through Klook is cheaper than elsewhere. The instructor explained carefully, and there are 2 companion cats, who can easily make their own unique lipstick. Spent a relaxing and happy evening.